In 2016 alone, more than 130 million tons of cargo went through the Panama Canal, either coming or going to the United States.
It's a trade route that many countries rely on, and that's why there was a special exercise happening right here in San Antonio today. Eyewitness News reporter Luke Simons has more from Joint Base San Antonio, Fort Sam Houston.
In the middle of Joint Base San Antonio's Fort Sam Houston sits a barricaded area of tents turned into a command center. Nearly 3,000 miles away from San Antonio is arguably one of the most important waterways in the world. Today, the men and women inside these tents are in an exercise trying to keep the Panama Canal safe.
Economically, it means a lot to not only the United States, but more importantly for the different businesses.
And those businesses Major General Chen is talking about are not just in the U.S. The Panama Canal saves boats 7,872 miles, allowing them to cut through the canal instead of going all the way around the southern tip of South America. That shortcut saves money for commerce, which is why today's exercise, called Panamax 2017, includes men and women from 17 different nations.
And it allows us to integrate our knowledges and our experiences in order to help each other. Whenever attack, even violent attacks, may occur, we will all be present to help each other.
If an attack or a major weather event were to happen at the canal, this group would be the one to respond. It's a scenario they hope will never happen, but one they have to be prepared for.
What we know is that if we're ever going to fight together, what's important is that we know each other, that we've trained together, worked together before, but most important that we trust each other.
So the good news is this is just an exercise, but seeing 17 nations come together right here in San Antonio for a common goal is pretty amazing. It's something Major General Chen says civilians in the United States should be very proud of.
What's important, I think, is the American public, they know, and I know they know and they trust the military, that we will always do the right thing.
Reporting from Joint Base San Antonio, Fort Sam Houston, Luke Simons, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.